If Yahoo keeps taking over your Chrome searches, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome, set Google as your default search engine, and check for anything that may be forcing Yahoo back again. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference if your browser suddenly starts using Yahoo instead of Google every time you search from the address bar. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the three vertical dots to open the Chrome menu, then choose Settings. This is where Chrome stores all of your browser preferences, including your search engine settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Search Engine. On this page, you'll see the options that control what Chrome uses when you type into the address bar. If Yahoo is currently set as your search engine, this is where we're going to change it. Now click the Change button. A list of available search engines will appear. From that list, select Google. After that, click Set as default. This tells Chrome to use Google whenever you search from the address bar instead of sending your searches to Yahoo. But we're not done yet. If you want to make sure Yahoo doesn't keep showing up again later, you should also delete it from Chrome's saved search engines list. While you're still on the search engine settings page, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down until you find the search engine section. Look for Yahoo in the list. When you see it, click the three dots next to Yahoo, then select Delete. This removes Yahoo from the browser's stored list and helps prevent it from being used again in the future. Now, if Yahoo comes back after restarting Chrome, that usually means something else is controlling your browser settings. In many cases, a suspicious extension or even a browser hijacker is the reason it keeps returning. So the next step is to check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner again, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Take a careful look at everything installed in Chrome. If you see any extension you don't remember installing, especially ones with names like Search Managers, PDF Utilities, Coupon Tools, or Volume Boosters, remove them right away. These are often the kinds of extensions that change your search engine without permission. To remove one, simply click Remove. If Chrome asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. It's a good idea to clean out anything you don't trust because even one unwanted extension can keep forcing Yahoo back into your browser. If Yahoo still keeps returning after that, the final step is to reset Chrome settings. This won't delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, but it will remove browser changes that may have been forced by unwanted software. Go back to Settings, scroll down, click Reset Settings, then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Finally, click Reset It Settings to complete the process. Once that's done, Chrome should be clean again, and Google should stay as your default search engine. If the issue was caused by a hijacker or a bad extension, this reset usually fixes it completely, and that's it. You've now removed Yahoo from Chrome, set Google as your default search engine, deleted Yahoo from the saved search list, and checked for anything that may have been hijacking your browser. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else dealing with the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.